Alright, what up YouTube? We're back with another video. I was slumped the whole way. My man's over here drove the whole way, but we drove all the way out to New York from Michigan for this steering wheel airbag to put in for the ScatPack. But we just did the wiring harness. Now we're about to go walk out to the car, take the old airbag out and put this one in. So I'll make another video. I made a video about a year ago when I did this to my Scat. But now we're doing it for other people. So if y'all need it, hit us up. We'll drive out to you and we'll put it in. Because this thing is rough. Oh yeah, that's hard. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, same thing as last time, use my hand dandy little screwdriver and take the airbag off. Make sure the car is off. I just gotta reach for those pins. And once you get that pin off, you'll see it'll be like that. And it'll pop out a little bit, and then you go to the left side. So I'm gonna get this left side out real quick, and then get back to y'all. And I'll show you guys what I'm hitting. Alright, yeah, so that's out. Pretty easy. We just put the screw through the holes, and we hit this pin. And then this pin you just pry up. That's pretty much it. Alright, so it's all done. So now we should pull it out, and one's done, one's about to go in. And we're gonna go take the thumbnail right now while we're at it. Alright, so we're about to toss these two things through the middle. Move these two wires through. There it is, set in perfectly. Oh, wait. So we should feed these wires through. There's that, and then tuck these up, tuck these down, take this big bolt, and then put it back in. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the bolt in, the one wire, and then we just take this one and bolt that one in, and we just get to doing the rest, and then it'll be done. We'll just put the airbag back in. Alright, so that's all the connections. Everything should be tucked away, and let's just make sure this tucks in properly. And just snap in the cord. And that should be it. And I'll get it to click in now. Alrighty, so that's the final project. It's the old one. It's the new one. Got the Alcantara with the yellow stitching or orange stitching, I believe. I don't know, I'm colorblind with this line. And the Alcantara. This thing is sick. And the forged carbon paddle shifters. That changed the whole look of the car. We're just gonna it's lighting up. Alright. Start her up. He's golden. Hit us up for all airbag and steering wheel swap needs. Just like that, I'll probably play montage of our car ride back. So here's to 6 hours back home. Here's the key back. Alright, let's go get his reaction now. If you start the car up, and move this all the way over, you like cover it up, you should see the light. Yeah. Lights up white.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, give a little baby rev. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Looks better with the steering wheel now. Alright, so we're filling up gas, so we're at like what, 80 miles left? Alright, it's 3:02. Filling it up in the cruise, so I'm saying $34.
37.
Oh. Alright, well, we're gonna fast forward and see what it comes to. Alright, so she's getting close to my number. Oh. Perfect! I called that on the dot. 3 cents off, but damn. Alright, let's finish this off and head back home. Because that's another 6-hour drive home. Alright, yeah, everyone needs a Chevy Cruise for their daily. 525 miles for like $40 pretty much. I got 400 miles home. That's insane. 40 miles per gallon, baby. Let's get it. I don't know what type of toll this is, but literally, look at this. We had backed up traffic for like 30 minutes just to drive literally straight through nothing. Made no sense why that was traffic for so long. But we got 30 more minutes to get some food. Back to Pennsylvania and then back to Michigan. Oh, there we go. Alright, 2 more states to go through.